The second easy step to building your entrepreneurial business is finding a home for the URLs you just got in the last video of this playlist. Now that you have a URL, you can set up your website. Several approaches exist, but the cookie cutter method is often the simplest and most efficient. This method allows you to avoid feature upgrades or recurring fees with a webmaster. To get started, consider purchasing a framework such as Astra or Genesis. Both frameworks are very easy to use. If anything isn't obvious, use their free training to learn how to do something, or email me and ask. Next, you'll need to select a theme. If possible, opt for a premium theme to ensure better quality and support. Numerous themes are available, hundreds really, so take the time to review your options and find one that resonates with your vision. Focus on the style rather than the specific colors, which can be determined later. Your chosen theme will come with various features, many of which may not be utilized immediately. At the very least, ensure it supports a blog for posting your articles, as everything else can be customized. Once you've installed your framework and theme, you can explore your website's design. The first step is to select a color scheme. Consider carefully your primary color. It may be helpful to consult an artistic friend or look online for inspiration. Remember to choose a secondary color as well. Typically, this color is found on the opposite side of the color wheel from your primary color. You should also consider preferences like font styles and button types, which will ensure your site's overall look and feel. Now that you have your framework and theme, in this next video, we'll move forward with the necessary website pages and other features of your brand new website.